Struggling to lose weight and keep it off? You're in the right place. Welcome to our 100 Weight Loss Tips series, your ultimate guide to shedding pounds and staying fit. If you haven't watched previous videos in the series, check out the link in the description so you don't miss any game-changing tips. In this video, we're diving into even more powerful strategies to help you burn fat, stay motivated, and reach your goals faster. Let's get started. Tip 21. Eat only when you are hungry. Be sure to drink a glass of water first to determine if you really are hungry or if you are really thirsty. Many people have the tendency to eat when they see food. It doesn't mean they're hungry. They just want to eat it. Don't eat anything you're offered unless you really are hungry. If you feel you must eat it out of being polite, just nibble, don't have a meal. Tip 22. Try not to snack between meals. But if you must have a snack, make sure it is a healthy one. If you travel a lot, try to find healthy snacks and not junk food. Tip 23. Veggies make great snacks. They can get you through the hunger pangs if you are having them. Carrots are great because they satisfy hunger and they are packed with nutrients. Tip 24. Counting calories is a good idea for those must-have food items. If it is a packaged food item, then it will have the calories on the packaging. Be sure to pay attention to serving sizes in terms of calories as well. An Otis Spunkmeyer muffin is intended to be 2 servings, so you have to double the calories listed. This is where food producers get tricky and you can't fall in their trap. Tip 25. Work off the extra calories by the end of the week. If you feel you have splurged too much this week, be sure to get to the gym or go walking a little longer to work off those extra calories you have consumed. Tip 26. Stay away from all things fried. If it is breaded, it is better that it is baked. Fried foods are immersed in fat and oil. Even after the excess oil has been drained away, there is still oil absorbed into the food item itself. Tip 27. Don't skip meals. You should have, at the very least, 3 meals a day, but preferably 5 small meals. This will keep you from getting hungry during the day and overeating out of starvation. Tip 28. Just like fruits, fresh vegetables are better than those that are canned. It is even better if you can eat your veggies raw. When you cook them, you cook away the nutrients. If you must cook them, try to boil them to the point that there is still some crispness to them. Also, don't soak them in butter. If you can buy organic and pesticide-free veggies, that is even better. Tip 29. Don't eat more than 1 egg per day. It is best if you can reduce your egg intake to 3 a week. Tip 30. Chocolates should be treated as luxury items. Buy the good stuff and only eat them every once in a while. If you really savor each morsel, you'll experience that much more joy in eating them, and they will taste even better. Tip 31. Eat foods from all of the food groups each day. This is a great way to ensure you are getting all the nutrients your body needs, and it helps to ward off any diet deficiencies. Also, don't eat the same foods all the time. Experiment so that you don't get bored with same old diet. Tip 32. Try to eat breakfast within an hour of waking up. This is the best way to give your body the jump start it needs. Don't wait until you are really hungry. Breakfast is important, but you don't need to stuff yourself. The idea is that you're breaking the fast from not eating all night. Tip 33. Your diet should include all aspects of the food groups, including carbohydrates. In fact, your diet needs to be about 50 to 55% carbs. Carbs are a great source of energy. Those diets that prohibit carbohydrates are actually harming you and only making you crave them that much more. Your diet should cause you to be deficient in anything. Tip 34. Proteins should make up only 25 to 30% of your diet. Far too much emphasis is put on meat as the main part of your meal. In actuality, it should be considered more of a side dish rather than the main course. Tip 35. Fats should make up 15 to 20% of your meal. This is really all the fat your body needs. A lot of this is going to be in your diet in the form of cream, sugar, and the like. Tip number 36. Eat more white meat than red meat. White meat includes chicken, fish, and some other fowl. Red meat includes beef and pork. Tip 37. Try to go as vegetarian as you can. This really is a healthier lifestyle, even if you can't cut meat out completely. The more fruits and veggies you can eat, the better. The more meat you cut out, the more fat you can cut out of your diet as well. However, protein is important, so be certain that your option allows you to maintain good protein levels. Tip 38. White bread is good, but high-fiber multigrain breads are much better. These breads are another way to add more fiber to your diet, and they also have a good protein level. Tip 39. Pork does not assist in weight loss in any way. The less pork you eat, the better off you will be when trying to lose weight. Pork has a high fat content and includes food items such as bacon, ham, and sausage. That's it for today's episode of 100 Weight Loss Tips. But we're just getting started. This is the part 3 of our Ultimate Weight Loss series, and there's so much more to cover. Want to learn even more powerful tips to speed up fat loss, boost metabolism, and stay motivated? Check out the full playlist. It's packed with everything you need to transform your body and achieve lasting results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next part. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.